Привет! Today I want to talk a little bit about Russian and Ukrainian languages. Ukrainian and Russian are not similar as many people like to claim. So Ukrainian is close to Belarusian, Czech, Polish, and the other Slavic languages, but really far from Russian. If your native language is Ukrainian and you don't know a word in Russian, that will be really difficult to understand Russian. The same for us. I will not understand Ukrainian language at all. Maybe just some words. Like because they're close. The most of not well-educated people in Ukraine, they speak mixture between Russian and Ukrainian, like called Surgic. It's an awful semi-literate dialect, which Ukrainians despise as much as Russians do, but at least Russians can understand it somehow. Ukraine has entire speaking Russian regions. These became possible because of the harsh Russification policy of Soviet Union. So it was almost impossible to not know Russian in Soviet Union. Many things, including well-paid job, education, were inaccessible for people who don't speak Russian. So that was the first motivation for Ukrainians. So now, if you want to travel to Kiev, Dnieper, or Lvov, all what you need to know is just Russian language, because they speak mostly Russian. That's all what I want to share with you today. Leave a comment for me if you have like special opinion about this situation. I would like to know. And скоро увидимся. Пока.